Okay.
Same thing when he's talking. No, hit.
But he's on this side. Can you see him? Can you see his tongue?
That's what I was
He
zooming
does
for.
my hair, my little hairdresser.
Yeah.
You don't need a hairdresser. He's eating your hair.
He's licking your eyebrows now. Is that good, Pootie? Is it tasty?
Mom, do a video of
Is it delicious?
Mom.
Are you done? No, you're looking at my glasses now.
Mom, Vulcan Mind Touch cotton. Mom!
Okay, I think that's it.
Mom!